Welcome to the Swedish Maker. Today I'm making a wooden box with box joints. So my wife has all these silver tools she uses for making rings and such in silver. And she just has all the tools lying around like this. Hammers and stuff. So I'm going to make a box out of this glue jointed pine. I'm going to use a box joint jig I made for a single blade, and we'll try it out the first time today. So we'll see how it turns out.
Days of a brand new start.
Here I'm cutting the side pieces to the right size. I made the long side 43 centimeters and the short side 30. And then I just cut 4 pieces, 2 of each.
And a golden heart, how we've thrown arms around you. Saints through an endless sky. The heavens looking down upon you.
Then I used the box joint jig. I'll leave a link down below to the drawings of the box joint I built that was made by the Wood Father. It works really good. I'll probably make a new improved version someday with better clamps on the front. Basically I just cut 2 sides at a time, then I do the other side of the same 2 pieces. I put the pieces together just to see how they fit. And here you can see I had the blade set a bit too high, which caused the box joint sticking out a bit. No worries, I'll just sand it down. I glued the pieces together with regular wood glue. The pieces were a really firm fit, the glue was just extra support. Then I clamped it up and let it dry. Before doing the top and the bottom, I sanded both sides of the box. The top and bottom piece I had cut before, I forgot to film that, but I just cut them a bit oversized so that I could cut off the excess once I had glued it to the sides of the box. I then countersunk some wooden pins just to be safe.
When I saw you in the morning light, I just held my breath. His grace. We were choosing opportunity over wrong and right. Was a target worth the vanity? Was it worth the sacrifice?
I used a handsaw to cut off the excess of the bottom and the top pieces. I then sanded the whole piece, starting with 40 grit sandpaper, working my way up.
Stack of letters in the bottom drawer, all the ink turned gray, and I've tried at least 1,000 times. And my thoughts will turn to questions now of the past we take. Is the one you took a better road when you walked away?
I cut the box in 2 pieces using the table saw, and finally I added some Chinese oil to it.
Sometimes I see the journey back there. Sometimes I
Alright, that's it for this week. Next week I'll continue with the box and decorate it and put my wife's tools inside it. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye.